And the next stop on our Eat and Lime tour is we're gonna learn how to make rum punch. And I'm here with Lisa from Quin Farara. How are you doing today?
I am good. Thank you for coming. So I hope you're excited. So what we have here, right, is we have a broken down old-fashioned rum punch. And we are gonna go through each of these ingredients and then I'm gonna make one with you.
Right.
Yeah? All right, so a historical rum punch recipe is 1 part sour, 2 parts sweet, 3 parts strong, 4 parts weak. You add some spice and you have a punch.
Okay.
That's a rum punch, right?
All right, okay.
So it actually comes from a Sanskrit word panch, meaning 5. So anytime you put those 5 things together, you have a punch. Now, first thing we do, right, is we need a lot of ice, right? Now, people think that bartenders are skimping when they add lots of ice to things. That's not true. Ice keeps ice cold. So if I put a little bit of ice, it's all gonna run down, right? So what I want is a lot of ice here, especially because it's hot out here. So then, see it's already running down a little bit, so take your top and just drain off the ice that's in there. The water, yeah, there you go. All right, now, we're gonna pick our rum. Which rum do you wanna use?
5.
Okay, you use the 5, I'm gonna use the white. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna free pour here, which means we're gonna count to 5 in our head when we start pouring, and that'll give us about a 1.5 ounce shot.
Okay.
Ready? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like a lot, but we have a lot of ice. Did you do like 7 over there?
I did 5
okay.
in my head.
All right. All right. Here is where I add in bitters, because all of the color from an old-fashioned comes from your bitters. Yeah? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's mine. Here you go. There we go. There we go. And then I always put a little bit of orange. So 1, 2, orange. There you go. Thank you.
Okay, gotta work on that.
When you do it, you go upside down and go 1, and then go.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to use the regular lemonade. So you want to use the cinnamon one?
Yes, I like
All right,
cinnamon.
so we're just going to cover this now. You don't have a lot of room left.
There you go.
There you go. Okay, so take your spoon, mix it. So now we taste. We just do a quick taste test on it. We always check it so that our drink is good before we start garnishing. So now I take the orange and I squeeze them and I just stick them then down the side like that. So here you go.
Squeeze them.
Yeah, it's yours. You can touch it. I just.
Okay. Ah, get in there. Get in there.
Then I take the lemon, grab a piece. We can just grab a piece.
Do this.
So, yeah. Grab a piece. Now, what we do, we hold them sideways like this over here, and then we squeeze. And then you see like that spritz comes out of it.
Yep.
Exactly. And then we just rub it along the rim of the glass. Yeah. And you can stick it in there or you don't have to use it. It's up to you. There you go. Next, I always grab a piece of cinnamon. So grab one for you and grab one for me.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I just stick it in. I just like how it looks.
Okay, can I grate?
You can grate it if you like, yeah. Grate it sideways, it's easier. There you go, yeah.
Hey, all right.
There you go. And you can drop it in or not. Then on the top here, you have a nutmeg.
Okay.
And I'm gonna grate that too.
Grate that too, so you go first.
Thank you. Here we go. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. So this is where you get really classic Caribbean rum punch now. The nutmeg is what really says. There you go.
Thank you very much. 2. That's a lot of work making a rum punch.
Yeah, but you're gonna see a huge difference from when you taste tested it the first time to now. Okay, now grab a piece of basil. This is also fresh picked.
Okay.
Here you go. You got it? So anytime we're using herbs, what do? We smash them, right? Bam! And then just on top.
Okay. Why do we smash it?
Turn them upside down, make them look good.
Sorry.
Ta! There we go. All right. And now smell that.
Ooh, that's good.
Nice, huh? Cheers!
Now don't forget, the next time you're in Antigua, you gotta stop by Quin Farara, talk to our friend Lisa, and learn about the rich 100-year-old history of this building and this family here in Antigua. This is the final stop of our Eat, Lime, and Food tour, and you're watching Caribbean Vibrations.
Thanks, guys.